Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, so if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. So guys, we have a brand new subscription to our channel. This is the BagAmour box. It is a purse and handbag subscription. Now I did actually get the summer box, but with everything going on, they were very kind and they didn't require me to post it. So they do send this to me for review, so thank you so very much to BagAmour. They are an amazing company. Like I said, that right there just shows to me, you know, that if they're going to take care of me in that way, I have no doubt they're going to take care of their customers. So let's get into this. So BagAmour, you have 3 different options. You can do the everyday, you can do the classic, or you can do boho. Depending on that, it's going to be what your purses may look like. Now it is $54.75 a season, or you can pay $199 annually and save $20. So with every box, you do get 2 purses and other goodies. That's pretty good, right? $55 for 2 purses and bonus goodies. Sounds good to me. So let's get in here and see what I got for fall 2020. The box is huge. So, all right. Now it is a nice box as far as it is magnetic closure once you untie it, but it's ginormous. So here we have the little fall pamphlet, the style book, and it goes over and it shows you, it shows you everything that's in your bag as far as the accessories, and then it shows you like the different bags you could have received depending on classic, boho, or everyday. So let's go ahead and get started here by just opening it up. All right, so I do see the accessories. So I think we'll actually start with those. So, because they're on top of the bags anyway. All right, so this goes over right here. So the first thing I am seeing is a selfie ring light. Look flawless in your selfies. This little light is all about making your selfies best. The light gives soft illumination without harsh light. It's like having a professional studio photographer whenever you feel the sudden urge to selfie. So that's nice. And then we have, I love these. These are my favorite type of hair ties. These are beautiful colors too. The ouchless ponytail ties, and it says our ponytail ties are made of soft, fold over elastic ribbon material. You can even wear it as a bracelet. Perfect for all hair types and styles, thick or thin. All right, and then we have a scarf, floral bird print scarf, and you can see like there's a pretty bird and the floral pattern, another bird. It's very pretty. You can either obviously wear that or tie it maybe on like the side of your bag as a little pop of color or style. And then the final bonus is from the Naked Bee, and it actually looks like it's a 3-in-1 grapefruit and honey gift collection. For grapefruit blossom honey fans, enjoy refreshing grapefruit mixed with the soft sweetness of honey. So this is included. This included is a 1.5 ounce grapefruit and honey hand and body lotion, 3 ounce grapefruit and honey ultra rich body butter, and a USDA organic grapefruit and honey lip balm. So that is really nice. So I think we got some good bonus items here, like good accessories. So let's get to the purses. Let's see, does it tell us anyway? Okay, let's get here and see. So first bag here, they do send them in duster bags, which I think is fantastic. Oh, okay. I love this color. And you know what? I would never, honestly, expect to like a red, but there's something about this that I just really like. So it looks like we have a zipper here, we have a zipper here, and we have a zipper here. And then the zippers have these long, like, metal, in my opinion, they're like little accessory type things, because they're not your typical zipper. And then inside you do have a strap here, so you can make this into like a crossbody bag, which is great, especially considering the size of the purse. Or I mean, you could just carry it around like this if you need to. And let's see, there's a pocket, zipper pocket in here. What is that? There's a zipper pocket in here on this side. And then, oh, they included a colorful strap. This is the boho, if I didn't say. So there is bag number 1. And then the second bag. Now the second bag, this one I think everyone gets. It's the first bag that may vary depending on the selection as far as everyday, classic, or boho. I think it was the everyday that had like a backpack. That looked really nice. And then this feels really soft. Alright, so we have this bag here. So you can see it's a really pretty light blue color. Just a regular tote. There's no like zipper or anything. And that I'm assuming is because this is actually reversible. So you could make this, you could flip it inside out and have it be the tan. So, and it does feel very nice. The quality feels very nice. It does not feel like a cheap bag. The red bag does not feel cheap. They do feel very well made with high quality products, so I do appreciate that. And then again, you have a duster bag for each purse. So you get the 2 different purses, the bonus goodies, and then again, based on your profile, you're going to get the purse that best matches your style. So this again was the boho. And then let me show you the, this would have been the classic. The other bag you would have gotten in the classic. It's actually very pretty as well. And then the everyday, this was where I was saying it looked like they had a backpack, and that backpack actually looks really nice. I really like that backpack. So there is that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A special thank you to my channel members. I do greatly appreciate your support. It means more than you know. And even if you're not a channel member, just being here and watching and supporting my channel means so much. I will put a link to, down below if you'd like to check out more information about channel memberships and what exactly it offers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.